Good evening, everybody. My name is Prashant. I'm here to represent Elsevier. I'm account manager for Elsevier. Like my presentation, I thought like it would be very difficult for us to describe or deliver our products in such span. So what I'll try to do is I'll try to do an exercise with all of you to see that if we can make some impact. Agenda would be, I'll tell you a little bit about Elsevier, an overview of India's research output in biochemistry to see that how our product can be useful for you. And if possible, if my friend permits, we will do some introduction of Science Direct as well as Scopus. So this is a slide which we are always proud of showing that Elsevier has an overall market share of 25% and a citation share of 25%. Keeping on tradition in India as well, 24% of research output is again owned by Elsevier, serving 20 million plus scientists, students and information professionals via 25,000 journals, 19,000 books. You can understand Elsevier by looking at this slide. Now, I'm here to just share with you my product, Scopus. I thought instead of going through Scopus, what Scopus, how it works, I think we conduct a lot of trainings. Let's see what we can do to look at India's research output in biological sciences. So we have almost everybody, people all around. Let's see what Scopus can do if you really want to analyze as a research tool. So if we look at India's publishing output, 27% of that biological sciences contribution. If you closely look at the slide, it will tell you that all of the journals and research output produced by India, biological, genetics and molecular, agriculture and biological sciences contributes to 27% of the total output. Again, the database is Scopus. Going further, now if you want to look at the top institutes who are doing this research in biological sciences, you can do the further research and then you have a ranking of all the top institutes in the country who are doing research in this field. Going further, this is something which we are saying. Even some international organization like Simago uses our research database to rank. So this is a slide which shows India versus Asia. India's biological output. India is ranked third amongst all the Asian countries. So thus, this was just to give you an idea of how Scopus uses its database to use or to analyze the research. I thought it would be nice to share with you this example so that we have a clear idea of how it works. Then again, going further down to research metrics, if you really look at in the biological research also biochemistry, you can go to specific subject and see citations as well as H-index. So again, the idea here is to share with you how you can analyze. I would suggest that if you really look at your organization and see that how you can use this tool as to analyze the research in your own organization or research institute. Now coming to what is Scopus. It is a tool to search, visualize, track and analyze research we just discussed. Broad coverage of science, technology, medicine, literature, 18,000 journals, 5,000 publishers, life sciences, health sciences, physical sciences, social sciences. Smart tool to aid the researchers, evaluation tools. So we gave you a small outlook on how this works. Again, how you can refine your research by just clicking, putting the name and just seeing the refined results. I would again like to go that this is how you can look at your own institution. So it can give you a clear subject areas wise bifurcation that how research is going in your own institute or an organization. You can know your author. Author profiling can also be done. If you have published an article, it can give you, even if it's the different names, you can really look at the author profile as well in this product. You can track citation and H-index again. You can look what are the, like you really want to see if some recent research has been done by the same citation has been done. You can really look at clearly year by year to 2009. Journal analyzer, if you want to see that where the article should be published, which journal you have to select, you can again look at different publishers, different journals. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Will be connected? Yeah. So I would like to take any questions from audience. We have a team here. If you have any questions regarding Scopus. No, can we? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, what is the question? Yeah.
What is the procedure of counting or determining the H index of particular author? I want to know this.
Hi, I'm Padma from Elsevier again. The question was how H index is calculated. It's actually a very simple formula that was discovered by Professor George Hirsch. And what he said was instead of just seeing the numbers of papers, the number of citations, he has tried to find a correlation between these two figures. And suppose anybody has a H index of 20, irrespective of how many papers he has published, that means that he has 20 papers that have at least 20 citations each. So if your H index is 10, that means in spite of, suppose you have published even 100 papers, but 10 of your papers have 10 citations each. And this is proving to be quite an acceptable metric in research performance evaluation. So does that sort of answer your question? Any other questions?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.